Today we're gonna do ternary ionics, and first we have barium nitrate. Barium is going to be located on our table, our periodic table in the second column right here. It's gonna be under Ba, so it's gonna be Ba with the +2 charge. Nitrate's gonna be inside of our polyatomic ion sheet, but I do not have that with me, but I know it. It's NO3 to the -1 charge. So now we have to flip the charges and combine. So first we combine BaNO3, and then we have to put this in brackets because when we put this over, we don't want these two to be connected. So we have to do 2 here, and then the 1 isn't represented in the Ba because we don't count ones. So that would be the final formula, or the final formula for barium nitrate. Let's do another one with ammonium nitrate. Ammonium is also a polyatomic ion sheet. It is NH4 to the +1 power. It's the only positive polyatomic ion, so that's special about it. Nitrates again, NO3 to -1. So when we flip them and combine them, we're actually just going to keep them the same by doing NH4 brackets NO3, because when you flip the ones, it doesn't change anything about them, but we want them in brackets to keep them by themselves. Now going from formula to word, we know that this is hydroxide because of hydrogen and oxygen, and you have to change the oxygen to oxide. So it's going to be hydroxide. And we know this is potassium. Spelled that wrong, but that's potassium hydroxide. And now coming down here, we have calcium. And because Ca is calcium, and this is also hydroxide, and it's to the 2nd power, so it's just going to end up being hydroxide. And we don't have to put the charges. We only have to put the charges on elements we don't know, the metals. And most of the time they give it to us, but in these examples they don't. We don't need them because these are polyatomic ions, and these are ions. So, thank you, and this is Ternary Ionics in Katzenagel.